Welcome to Rack Trends. This is Vijayalakshmi Shokma here. Today let us see few festive collection unstitched dress materials. All are silk fabric, wonderful, elegant, rich in quality. The first one in that is a mehendi green color, beautiful soft chanderi silk fabric with a silk bottom and the sequence work on it. It comes with a wonderful kalamkari dupatta. This is so beautiful. This is the kalamkari dupatta attached to it. Neat finish, beautifully printed dupatta. It's a stole kind of dupatta and a mehendi green color. Just cost rupees 2400 only. Today make your booking today and get 10% off on it. The next one in this shade, so each one is in the different design. The next one is green color. This is a cool green. Yeah, very beautiful. No work in the top layer. It comes with a beautiful embroidery in the bottom with a silk bottom, ranging just rupees 2400 only. Book it today and get 10% off. Wow, this is so beautiful. Dupatta is very pretty and it has a kanta stitch in it. Each piece that I am showing today are totally different from one another. Very soft in texture. The next one in this is a beautiful pink. It's a pastel pink, peach color maybe, and mixed with a brown shade. Wow. The center panel, it comes with a center panel work with a kanta stitch, chanderi silk fabric, beautiful silk fabric with a silk bottom, and dupatta is awesome. It's a festive collection. Just grab it. All unique pieces, single piece each available. This is so pretty. Dupatta with kanta stitch, and this cost 2400 only, and book it today and get for 10% off. And the next one in this is an elegant, beautiful, different piece. Wow, this is so awesome. Dark green shade, beautiful sequence work. It's very clean, neat, and it comes with a silk bottom again, and then kalamkari designed dupatta, printed dupatta. Wow, so pretty. So pretty dupatta. Comes with a top like this. It's wonderful. Just cost rupees 2400 only. Grab it today with 10% off. And the next one in this is in again purple color, light purple, all pastel colors. Very beautiful, soft in texture, and this comes with a kanta stitch. It's a center panel work. This is the panel work, and then comes with a bottom silk, and then silk dupatta, beautiful kanta work stitch. Just cost rupees 2400 only. Book today with 10% off. Just grab it. Beautiful colors, beautiful sequence work also. And the next one in this beautiful collection is a green color, green shade. It's a turquoise green again, pastel colors, beautiful central panel work, very neat kanta work done, and you can see the softness of the fabric, very soft in texture, and it comes with a silk dupatta and silk bottom, silk dupatta with kanta stitch work. Wow, this is so beautiful. Just see the color combo, it's so pretty. And the next one in this collection, all ranging just rupees 2400 only. Grab it today for 10% off. And next one is a blue shade, navy blue shade in silk. It is so pretty. The shade is so pretty. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love to take this Madhubani prints on it. The first one that I showed is a kalamkari, and this comes with a Madhubani print, and the sequence comes with a kanta stitch work with a silk bottom on it, and a pretty beautiful shaded dupatta. Wow, this is so good. Madhubani prints on a dupatta. Wow, this is so beautiful. Just ranging rupees 2400 and grab it today with a 10% offer. And next one in this shade is a grey shade, grey with a mustard combination. Wow, this doesn't have a central panel work, it comes with a neck patchwork. Wow, this is so beautiful, neck patchwork here, and then a silk bottom, and then beautiful shaded silk dupatta with a kanta work stitch. Wow, this is so pretty, so beautiful. And the next last piece in this collection is a beautiful mustard color, all-time favorite mustard. This is so pretty with the kanta stitch work, beautiful piece. Chanderi silk and silk bottom, again ranging just rupees 2400, and Madhubani art in it, a fusion of Madhubani and Kalamkari together. Wow, this is so pretty. Beautiful mustard and a brown combination, have a green color. Wow. This costs rupees 2400 only, and grab it today with a 10% offer. Our shop is located at Thanisandra Main Road, Bangalore. You can just book these pieces through online. WhatsApp me with a screenshot of your favorite dress, and then I will send you payment details and procedure how to order it. And our Instagram page is Rag_Trends, and we are in Facebook as Rag Collections, and our YouTube page is Rag Trends. Thank you for watching us.